Yo, what's up guys? It's Looney back with another video. Today I am going to do a portfolio update, something I haven't done in a while, and I thought it'd be pretty fitting because of how the market is doing currently. So during this time, crypto should be booming. I think the nickname people call it is Uptober, right after the third quarter. Crypto usually does really well. So let's just look at how Bitcoin is doing. And my account heavily revolves around crypto and Bitcoin, and you'll see why. So Bitcoin is just sitting at 69K. It reached 70K at one point. It was reaching all-time highs, but it's coming back a little bit of a pullback. And it's kind of inevitable, I believe, that it's just going to hit new highs. I mean, it's not going to be overnight, but I think just being patient and just holding the stock or buying occasionally, I'm doing dollar cost average, putting $3 in, is a great strategy for just long-term investments. I don't know if there's any new updates. I do know the election's coming up, so that could affect how crypto goes. And with that, I actually bought contracts. So I don't want to say wasted, but I thought I would do a little bit of a different trade. I ended up buying 300 contracts of Trump, and yeah, it's a 66 cents. It went down a little bit. It's at like 60 cents. So I should have just waited, but I'm just going to hold it here. $300 or 300 contracts. It's an all or nothing trade. It's new, so I thought I'd just try it out. And it ends pretty soon. I think it ends on January. So you get a little bit of time, but it is there on Robin. I believe everyone has it. If you don't, either reach out to them or just delete your app and re-download it. So as you can see, crypto is doing okay. I don't think it's doing amazing. I mean, let me just see what it was doing in the past 3 months. Yeah, 12%. And my account in the past 3 months was a little bit below that, 9%, 9.3. So obviously not beating crypto. And so it's not something I'd like to see. I'd like to see myself beating crypto. That's why I'm involved in all these option trades and mining companies like Riot. So on the month for options, I am up 50%. In the past 3 months, up 30%. And year to date, 26%. On the year, 12%. This is because I had a bad trade. I lost a lot of money on that one. Also on my overall, pretty good on the year. I mean, 21%, 18% on the year to date, especially with the market just pulling back a lot. I mean, I was up 27K and now it pulled back a little bit because of Riot. So I have a lot of shares of Riot. I option trade, I sell puts, I sell covered calls. I have a lot of contracts going right now. I have 3 calls and 1 put, 1 longer term put, and they're still middle term, I'd say, those calls, but those are running. I might roll them out. We'll see. And today I just got acquired another 100 shares at $9.5. So I made a profit. I mean, I got premium. I don't remember the exact premium. Let me check to see what it was. It was $18. So I think my break even was like 9.32. So I'm net positive on the trade, and it's perfect. I mean, this is exactly what you'd like to see. I don't know why my average cost is 9.5. I don't think that's accurate, but I do have 400 shares. This is most of my portfolio. I am continuing to make this grow. I don't think Riot's going to be like an overnight success. I don't think it's going to go to like $20 like Hood or SoFi or any of those other companies, but I do like it because it stays pretty even and it has high implied volatility, so I get to collect premiums on its ups and downs. You can see it goes up to 18, comes back down to 6. So there's a wide range, and it's good for collecting premiums. So that's why I'm doing it. That's most of my options, and that's why my options are doing so well. I'm up 50% in the past month. And I have Mara calls. I own 200 shares of Mara. And yeah, I'm just looking to keep acquiring Riot. I probably should have had left that 300 in my buying power. I'm not saying it was a dumb trade to buy the contracts, but I could have done more cash secured puts on there. Crypto in general, I've been slowing down. I've been just investing in the top 3 ones you see here: Doge, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. I don't know if I'm still investing in... Yep, I am. I'm doing $1 a day, so not as much, but I am investing. A lot of these other ones, I'm just holding off. I'm I'm trying to save up some money at the moment. It's not like I don't want to trade. I do, but I'm just saving right now. So if you guys want, I would invest in any one of these cryptos. There's not really a better one than the other, but if you want to be safe, Bitcoin, my meme, or the one I like a lot that's a meme, is the Doge one. So I invest in that one heavily as well. And then just my stocks and ETFs. I do have some safer positions like Google, Apple, some ETFs. I don't invest in NVIDIA. I know a lot of people love NVIDIA. I do have Tesla, so I really like Tesla. And yeah, I put $2 a day. Some of these other ones, I'm going to try and get back into it. My issue is I just over-diversified on my stocks and ETFs. So I'm trying to get out of a lot of these. So my requirement is either 100% return or get 100 shares and do covered calls. So I believe my highest gainer is TSM. It was up a lot. It had really good earnings and it did really well. I think it was up to like 212 at some point, and I was up like 75%. Thinking about selling it, but I'm going to stick to my gut and just stay until I get that 100% return. I mean, the past year it's up 124. So I don't know when I first traded this, but I think it's, my first trade was in May 2023. So I'm a little bit over a year, but still, I'm gonna give it some time. I'm not really in a rush to get those returns back. And yeah, I mean, it's just a growing company. I know it's moving to the US, but I didn't do too much dive into that. But we got GE. I stopped, or I put a pause. I'll put money back into it once I am comfortable putting more investments in. And yeah, just a few other safe ones. I like Apple a lot. It's a safe one. It's not really a big growth company, but it's definitely safe. It's just a consistent growth, up 30% in a year, 205 years. But yeah, I mean, I'm looking to get like a few, like DADA. I am selling calls just to get out of it, and I haven't really got a sign. So I've been making money doing covered calls, but hopefully in the future I could sell this one off. And let me just see what else we got going on with my portfolio. On the year, it's up 15%. Year to date, 11%. Overall, 15%. So my options are definitely helping out a lot. You could see my all-time is 22%, and I'm looking to get this up to like 40. Not really in a rush, but definitely I'm eager to keep growing and keep getting better, get to that 30,000 benchmark. Even 27,000 is my next goal. But if you guys do enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more videos, and don't forget to check out my Discord where I share my live strategies, my trades, and I have a whole community of other investors that will help each other out. So links will be in the description. Until next time, peace.